Hi everyone, and welcome to the next major version of the popular AliInspector desktop software for both PC and Mac computers. And this software is used to research top-selling wholesale products on AliExpress.com. But not only that, we've integrated some incredible new features in this version that you won't find anywhere else. My name is Dave Gwyndon, the creator and software developer, and there's a picture there of myself along with my beautiful family. As you probably already know, the online e-commerce market is absolutely booming right now, and it's not stopping anytime soon. In fact, taking a look here on Statistica.com, you can see that just in a couple of years, the online e-commerce sales worldwide is going to increase by another $1.5 trillion. It's absolutely astounding. So that means this market is here to stay and it's only getting better. So this is the perfect time to get into e-commerce. And the truth is, dropshipping products from your own e-commerce stores is turning normal everyday people into multi-millionaires in a very short time. Now, if you're not familiar with dropshipping, let me give you a quick overview of what it looks like. It's basically a method of selling wholesale products that you don't have to stock yourself. So basically, this is how it works. A customer comes to your e-commerce store and say, for example, they buy a product from you for $60. You get paid the $60 and you also get their physical mailing address. Next, what you do is you go over to the wholesaler website, AliExpress.com, and you buy it for $10. That means you have $50 profit, and in many cases, the actual vendors at AliExpress will ship your product for free to your customer. And then when you're buying the product from AliExpress, you just simply enter in your customer's physical address. And then AliExpress will drop ship or send that product directly to the customer for you. And a really good tip here is when you're ordering the product on AliExpress, make sure you leave a little note for the seller that says we're drop shipping, so no promotions and invoices please. And it's never been easier to create your own e-commerce store online. You can either use Shopify or you can use a WordPress site and then install the free WooCommerce plugin. But if you're using Shopify, you just head on over to Shopify.com and sign up for their 14-day free trial. And after you do that, you go to their app store and install a free app called Oberlo. And with the Oberlo app, you have the ability to import products from AliExpress directly into your store with ease. That includes all of the descriptions, titles, images, all that stuff, so you don't have to do it manually. But one of the largest obstacles you will encounter when setting up or running your e-commerce store is trying to figure out what products to sell to make huge profits. And this is what really sets you apart from all your competition, and is the single most popular reason why people give up and fail. But using the new AliInspector version 2, you don't have to worry about that anymore, so check this out. In an AliInspector version 2, you'll get access to the keyword generator tool, the best sellers tool, the product search tool, and the favorites tool. The keyword generator is an amazing tool for uncovering new hidden niche markets and products you probably never would have thought of. First, you enter in your main keyword, and you can optionally select a category from over 380 built-in categories. And then simply go ahead and click the Go button, and AliInspector will go and get all of the top searched keywords directly from AliExpress.com, providing you the keyword rank and the number of results. So now when it's totally finished, you can sort by rank, hold down your Shift key, and also sort by the results. And now we can see the top search keywords with the most results on AliExpress. You can also do additional research by simply right-clicking and going to search, and you can search Google Trends, Correlate, as well as other major online shopping sites. For example, let's take a look at Google Trends. You can see the trend of that particular keyword over time, or use Google Correlate to see what other keywords correlate exactly with that particular keyword, giving you more insight into that particular niche. And once you've found a particular keyword or niche keyword that you'd like to do more research on to find particular products for your e-commerce store, simply right-click and send that over to the product search tool. In the product search tool, you have three options. You can search directly on AliExpress.com, you can search through Bing, or you can manually enter in AliExpress product links. Let's go ahead and use the AliExpress tool here and simply just click search. And what it's doing, it's going out to AliExpress and grabbing all that data directly from their website at lightning speed. As you can see here, in less than 15 seconds, we downloaded 141 products with over 33 different data points. Now, one really important thing to keep in mind that AliInspector always extracts the most recent and fresh data in real time directly from AliExpress.com, meaning that the data is not coming from any stored data from a website server or something like that. And this is one feature that sets it apart from any other competing product, because the data here will always be the most recent and the most fresh, up-to-date data that you can possibly get. Now let's take a closer look at some of this amazing data that's pulled back from AliExpress. You can get the price plus e-packet shipping, the profits you'll get after retail, the cash back you get if you decide to order products through their affiliate program, how many orders, estimated sales per month, estimated revenue per month, and all sorts of very important data that you need when you're trying to select products for your e-commerce stores. And in the Bing tool, you can also search for AliExpress products through Bing, which gives you all the top ranked products for your keyword in a major search engine. Now this gives you an additional level of research other similar products don't provide. In the manual input option, you can simply just paste in product links that you've stored from a different tool, or you have a different method you like to get AliExpress product links from, and you want to see all the corresponding data for those products. Simply just paste those links into here, click extract data, and with a couple of seconds, AliInspector will go and grab all the information you need for all of those products that you want to get directly from a product link. Now we didn't stop there. We have another really powerful tool that you can utilize in the manual input. We have a content scraper. Click the content button and you stick any content in here that will contain AliExpress links, and it will scrape out all of those links for you and put them directly into the manual input. Let me show you an example. One very useful method using Google to find top products for your keyword on AliExpress.com is to use a search parameter. Let's take a look up here. If you type in site:aliexpress.com/item, then put a space and in between double quotes put your main keyword, you'll get a whole bunch of products that are top ranked for that keyword within Google. Now all you have to do is right click, select view page source, then copy all of this source code. So just Control A on your keyboard, and then right click and copy. And then go over to the AliExpress extractor, the content scraper, and paste it into here and click extract links, and boom, there's 97 products in there that we can extract data from AliExpress. Go ahead and extract the data, and you can see just how powerful this particular tool is. Now you have the ability to extract AliExpress product data from any content that you want. Another brand new, very exciting feature we integrated into AliInspector version 2 is the ability to extract the sales history of any given product. Let's say, for example, this particular product that had 13,000 orders, we'd like to investigate those particular sales. Right click and select Extract Product Sales History. This brings up a new tool where you can download and extract in real time the latest fresh data directly from that product page. As you can see, it's super fast, and we could see that the data that came back found that there was 1,000 transactions in the last 4 days for this particular product. And now we can sort by the estimated revenue, quantity, and transactions for each country. And we also have these handy charts to the side where we can see which country got the most sales. We can also see the sales per day for this particular transaction set. We can also see the transactions per day of week. So you can see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday were the most sales, and the hour by day, which hour produced the most sales for this particular product. Very powerful data. But not only that, we can also investigate individual countries for this particular product. Let's say we're only interested in looking at products from France. Simply just double click that option in the data table, and the corresponding data will show up in the graphs. Now you can save this data inside of project files, and you can load multiple project files and see data transactions over, say, months at a time. In addition, you can save the data to text files and comma delimited files, and you can even save these images, the graph images, so that say you're doing some research for your clients, well now you can provide them with full reports as well as graphs about particular products that they should be offering in their e-commerce stores. This new tool is absolutely amazing and extremely powerful. Now when selecting products for your e-commerce store, here's some awesome tips that you can follow. You want to be looking for products that have no brands and they're not fakes or knockoffs. For example, do not look for products that have like say Nike on it. You also want to look for products that have e-packet delivery with free shipping. E-packet is an Asian-based shipping provider. And you also want to look for products that deliver time is less than 2 weeks. How long does it take to get the actual product delivered? And then you want to see products that have over 300 orders, has a rating over 4.5, and you want to look for low-priced items so you can mark them up pretty high, so between $1 to $20. Also, you want to look at products that don't weigh a lot because it will cost more for shipping. And try to stay away from fragile products like wine glasses. Those types of things can really reduce refunds. In addition, you want to look for products that have more than 100 reviews and have at least 500 in stock. And the cool part is, AliInspector can do all this in just seconds. And some other optional factors to consider is to try to select a top brand seller with 95% feedback, preferably have no brand name on the product, contains a video that you could use for marketing, has less than 20 variations, has a store age of more than a year, more than 100 wishes, and has at least 100 recent sales. And guess what? AliInspector can do all this too. By using the built-in quick filters at the top of each column, you can quickly get to the data that you need, or you can use the custom filters. Simply select the filter buttons down the bottom and you can show the custom filters and you can select all the filters you'd want. You can also save them. So let's open up a filter file I've already saved and you can see all of this data in here that we just talked about, all those different conditions, the e-packet orders, rating, all that stuff. Let's go ahead and apply that, and we're gonna start with 864 products, and boom, just like that, we're down to 53 products of the ones that we are exactly looking for. Now we can just simply click the preview button, and now we can preview all those products within our web browser really quickly, just like this. So you can hover your mouse over the images to see a larger version of those images, and all the data that's in the actual software is also available in this handy little chart. And here's the cool part. This actual file is no different than like a Word document or a PDF document. You can deliver this file independently to any one of your customers if you're actually doing client research or product research for your clients. Very powerful and extremely easy to do. We even provide you with all the videos to show you how to do that. Another awesome tool within AliInspector is the bestsellers tool. Here you can find additional product ideas or niche ideas you want to get into by actually researching categories. So check this out. On the left hand side we have over 380 categories to select from. You can search the categories by keyword if you'd like, or you can simply just go and look at each category through here. Let's go ahead and select, for example, kitchen, dining, and bar. And I want to see all the top best-selling products within that category. And so what it's going to do, go ahead and click the go button, and it's going to extract the first 2 pages from AliExpress within that category that has the most orders. And now we can see all the top best-selling products in that particular category that has thousands and thousands of orders. But it's actually well known that sometimes these particular products are oversaturated in the market. So one way to get around that is simply selecting a different page range. So for example, let's select from the 3rd page to the 5th page, and we'll extract these products from AliExpress, which won't be as saturated as the top sellers. So now we can find those hidden gems that we need in our stores. Now let me show you some other incredibly powerful tools we've integrated into this new version. Now you can right click and look at product details right inside of another window where you can get access to the title, price, keywords, variations, and description, as well as quickly look at each and every image. You can copy these into anything you want. For example, if you're setting up a product and you want to manually do it, you can quickly get to the title and all the different data. And as this window is open, all you have to do is simply double click and the next actual product will show up in the product details window. You can also quickly extract all the product images and descriptions. All you have to do is go to Export, download product images and descriptions, and click the Go button, find a place where you'd like to save it, and AliInspector will go ahead and download everything you need from each one of those products and put them in a separate folder right directly on your computer. So in each folder, you've got all the images, you've got the description in the text format, also the HTML description from the actual product listing. Another exciting feature is the ability to import unlimited number of products into your Shopify stores or WooCommerce stores. All you have to do is right-click, export, and you can create a product import file. And now you can select between Shopify or WooCommerce, and what this does is it creates an import file that you can directly import into your Shopify store. And here's a product that was imported into a Shopify store using AliInspector. And what's really cool, all the variations are automatically imported along with that file, including the price and the discount price, and you don't have to set any of that. All you have to do is just set your markup and the software will do it for you automatically. Extremely powerful and very handy feature to have. In addition, this will save you so much time. If you have, let's say, for example, 100 products with 20 variations each, to do that manually would take you days. But with the software, it literally takes you less than a couple of minutes to import all of those products into your stores. It has been proven that having product reviews on your e-commerce store product pages will improve the SEO and also the sales and conversions of that particular product. So what we've done here is we've integrated the ability to actually import product reviews directly from AliExpress. You can do it for both Shopify and WooCommerce. All you have to do is enter in your product page on your particular store, select the number of reviews you'd like, if you want all positive, from what countries you want the reviewer to be from. You can also select if you just want reviews that only have images. And here's another really powerful feature we've integrated. You can now manually approve and edit each review. Check this out. After clicking the Go button, you save that import file on your computer, and now a little handy tool comes up and shows you the actual review inside of this little window. And you can see the star rating, the title, the review author, as well as the body of the review. So now you can accept these reviews. So I'd like to accept this one, and then this one, and so on and so forth. Let's say, for example, you're accepting some reviews and you come across a review that actually has a different language. We have a translator tool in here. All you gotta do is click translate and it goes over to Google Translate and it does it for you. So now you can copy from Google, go back in here and just paste it in, just like that. Now, if you want to get access to the individual words, just double click and look at this cool little tool that comes up, and you can access each word if you'd like, and you can translate them individually. So we make it really easy for you to get the reviews that you need for your website. And here are what the reviews will look like when you import them into your Shopify store. You can see that the images are clickable. Now, it's well known that a lot of review apps within Shopify cost you money, but the way that I show you how to do it is absolutely free. You will never pay any monthly fee for a review app. The review app is 100% free, that is provided by Shopify, but I show you how to get your images clickable within each of the reviews. And of course, it's very important to keep track of the products that you're selling in your e-commerce stores. So we've created a favorites tool. So now within any tool in here, all you gotta do is select the products you wanna add to a favorites, and you go right click, select send to favorites, and now you have groups that you can create. So for this particular group, let's create a new one. Let's call it kitchen. Create a new group, and within that group, we can add our favorites. And now the favorites are added in the favorites section. And all you have to do is click in here and you can get access to all your favorites anytime you want. And the software will always keep track of your favorites. And what's even awesome, let's say you have favorites that were in here for a long time and you want to update the data for those particular favorites in the table. All you got to do is just go right click, more data, extract data for all rows, get the number of threads you want to use, and boom, just like that, your data is refreshed. Now here's a quick tip on how to find best-selling products in Shopify stores using just Google search. In Google, you can type in a search parameter, for example, site:/myshopify.com space, and within double quotes type mom necklace, and you will get all the top ranked Shopify stores for that particular keyword. Now all you have to do is go to any one of these Shopify stores, and at the very top, at their address, simply remove that part and paste in /collections/all and put a question mark, sort _by equals best-selling. This information's all over the internet, by the way. Click enter, and boom, you will see all the best-selling products for that particular Shopify store. So now you can do additional research just using Google. And here's another awesome tip for trying to figure out some really good potential bestsellers for your stores. Go to Google and type in Amazon movers and shakers. The first link you see there, go ahead and click that. And over in the movers and shakers section, go and select one of the categories on the left-hand side on Amazon and take a look at the new upcoming products that are doing really well in Amazon right now. And this is updated every hour, so you can always see some really cool golden nuggets in here. For example, this pregnancy pillow. All you have to do is go on into AliInspector, type in pregnancy body pillow, click search, and now you can quickly see all the top selling products on AliExpress for that particular product, and you can start testing those in your stores. AliInspector is a desktop software program that will work on both a PC and Mac computer. In addition to the software, you'll also get access to a lot of different help videos that will get you started very quickly with the software and to find the right products that you need for your stores. We also offer a full 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not satisfied in any way at all, just let us know and we'll give you back all your money with no questions asked. I do want to give you a friendly warning and let you know that this is a limited time special offer and it will expire soon. So make sure to take action today and get the software at the lowest price possible right now before the price goes up. You don't want to come back tomorrow or next week and realize that you missed out on this awesome opportunity. And with that said, I want to leave you with my favorite quote: build your own dreams or someone else will hire you to build theirs. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.